To factor this, we're going to first multiply the 3 times the 20. A lot of people call this the AC method because this is A and this is C. So when we do that, we get 60. Now I'm going to take factors of 60. Well, I have 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12. And I always read this backwards. Have to multiply to give me 20, but add to give me a negative 17, so these have to be negative. So I'm going to write this 3x squared minus 12x minus 5x plus 20. And I like to put them in an order where I know that this factor has a relation with that and this one has a relation with that. So what we really did here is we took negative 17 and turned them into these two factors. So now I'm going to group them and factor by grouping. In this first term, my greatest common factor is a 3x. So I'm going to divide 3x out of both. And when I do that, I'm left with x minus 4. A good rule of thumb, whatever this sign is, we're going to factor that out. And in common in these two terms, I have a 5, so I'm going to factor out a negative 5. When I do that, I'm left with an x minus 4. Technically, we're going to factor one more time. What do I have in common between those two factors? I have an x minus 4, and left over, which is on the outside, is the 3x minus 5.